Cholesterol is probably one of the most debatable and misunderstood constituents of overall health, and there are many simple ways to lower LDL cholesterol naturally that you may not be aware of it. Cholesterol is a necessary part of the daily processes of the human body. The Centers for Disease Management says that more than 73.5 million people have high LDL cholesterol. There are two types of cholesterol, LDL and HDL. LDL is the dangerous type. LDL stands for low-density lipoprotein. HDL cholesterol stands for high-density lipoprotein. HDL is the type of cholesterol that can help lowering LDL cholesterol in the body. Steel-cut oats and rolled oats are two of the healthiest heart grains you can eat if you are looking for high-quality carbohydrates that will not raise blood sugar levels naturally. Oatmeal has consistently linked to the lowering of LDL cholesterol levels in the body thanks to its beta-glucan fibers that help lower cholesterol out of the bloodstream and excrete it for healthy artery function. Prepare your cooking oats with some berries and nuts, or feel free to enjoy them like oats at night by mixing dry oats with chia seeds, flax seeds, berries and some almond milk. Let the oatmeal overnight sit in the fridge, and in the morning have a chilled, full breakfast ready to go. Blueberries benefit fight free radicals in the body and support arterial function. They can help lower the blood from fatty tissues and also help support the entire heart. Include half cup of blueberries in any part of your day, and feel free to mix them with other berries that you can enjoy like blackberries, raspberries or strawberries. Eggs can be an excellent source of healthy fats. All eggs offer HDL cholesterol which can help lowering LDL cholesterol levels, are a complete source of protein, and can be an incredibly nutritious diet. Just keep in mind that pasturage eggs offer the benefit of coming from chickens that are allowed to feed on natural grasslands rather than processed foods. Chickens, and other animals, that feed on grasses naturally are often healthier than those getting processed feed. Hens that also pasturage produce eggs with a brighter yellow gold yolk indicating that the egg is higher in nutrients such as choline and omega-3 fats. People with heart problems should consult with their doctor or healthcare provider before consuming any source of cholesterol in the diet, including eggs. Eggs make a great breakfast, snack, or part of a vegetarian dinner. They can prepare in various ways, from soft-boiled to hard-boiled, scrambled or even cooked in muffin cups. These options are also healthier than fried eggs with a large quantity of butter or oil. Green vegetables like kale and spinach offer high amounts of antioxidants like lutein that improve heart health and can help lower cholesterol levels naturally. Leafy greens are also good sources of fiber, magnesium, vitamins B and vitamin E that the body needs. Spinach and kale may be used in any food dish such as an omelette, a smoothie, stirred into soups, as a bed for salads, or can be steamed and braised for a healthy side at dinner. Fish can be a great source of omega-3 fats to help lower LDL cholesterol and improve HDL levels in the body naturally. But it is important to choose lean fish whenever possible or those with high-quality omega-3 fats such as salmon. It is also important to consider obtaining wild fish whenever possible since farm fish are often contaminated and are high in environmental pollutants. Look for Alaska whitefish and wild salmon. Halibut, tilapia, skipjack tuna, mahi-mahi, cod, and haddock are examples of thin white fish. Albacore tuna is also a good source but higher in mercury than listed. Avocados are the valuable source of monounsaturated fats that are a type of fat that maintain HDL levels and lowering LDL cholesterol levels naturally in the body. Use 1/4 of avocado to 1/3 of avocado once every few days to take advantage of the benefits of this high-fat fiber fruit. Avocado can be utilized instead of mayo in sandwiches, can be used to make a homemade dressing, can be added to smoothies and salads and makes a nice creamy base for tuna salad instead mayo. Lentils, beans, and peas give high amounts of slow-digesting fibers that improve cholesterol and lower blood sugar levels naturally in the body. Legumes are also free of dietary fats and contain natural sources of iron, vitamins B, potassium and magnesium. Make a lentil soup, use beans in your salads, or try to swap split peas or chickpeas in several kinds of soup instead of meat occasionally. This is the outstanding way to not only improve your heart health but also your budget as well. Crude cocoa, high-quality dark chocolate, and plain cocoa powder are valuable sources of fiber and antioxidants. Dark chocolate and raw cocoa with at least 90% cocoa levels even offer a healthy dose of monounsaturated fats that lowering LDL cholesterol and improve HDL cholesterol naturally when used in small amounts each day. Cocoa powder is low in fat, but they still have fiber and antioxidants that can improve cholesterol levels. It makes a great addition to smoothies. It can be used in baked goods instead of, or in addition to, flour, and can also be stirred into yogurt and oatmeal. Almonds and walnuts contain health benefits that make them especially famous for cholesterol levels. Almonds are rich in fiber, protein, and monounsaturated fats, and are lower in fat per serving than most other types of nuts. Walnuts are a great source of monounsaturated fats and omega-3 fatty acids. Walnuts help lower cholesterol levels naturally. Do everything possible to consume raw and salt-free nuts when possible to avoid high amounts of sodium or added oil used in toasted walnuts.